Concierge tip. Why we love Crestron. I'm gonna show you something. Show you some hard facts.
Bro.
Looks fairly new. Maybe 7 years. See that system? Maybe 7 years. Trying to do a takeover. Nightmare. Needs all kinds of proprietary stuff to match up firmwares, special versions of software, all kinds of dumb stuff. And I'm sure that discounted amount that they thought they were getting is about to start feeling quite expensive now that we're years into it. And a lot of this is way obsolete. Now I'm telling you, I've picked up more than a few Crestron jobs and they work perfect. When I pick them up this old, they work great. You can make them work. This one is definitely barking back. Don't buy cheap stuff if you want it to last.